What's up guys, let me show you how to make this spicy honey glazed salmon with a side of plantains and sliced avocado with the red sauce. Stay tuned, watch, and let me show you how to make this. Let's go. Okay, so the mixing sauce is pretty simple. It is sesame seed oil, honey, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, some chili flakes, and black pepper. Mix that all up, and that's gonna be your marinade for your delicious salmon. Alright, now that we got our pan nice and toasted, we're gonna put our salmon right onto it. Like this. Remember, medium to medium low heat, okay? So this is how I cook my salmon. So as you cook it, you're gonna start noticing the color from the bottom right here. Okay, from the bottom up, it's gonna change color. So what I like to do is monitor that color and watch it change to the halfway point of the salmon. Once I see it halfway, as you can start to see, look, it's starting to change color already at the bottom, right there. See that? Once that color started to change, I'll flip the salmon. So when that color, once you flip it, meets the other side and it meets together, I'll let it go for maybe 1 or 2 more minutes, and then it should be done to my liking. Alright, so as you can see, take a look at the bottom. You see how the bottom is more white and more cooked? When that comes up to the middle, the halfway point, I'm gonna flip it and do it until they both meet each other. And that should be the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. Alright, there's my salmon. Nice and crispy on top. The skin, see how it's a little bit pink still, but it's not so transparent. I think that's a good amount for me. So I'm gonna take this off and plate it and let it cool. Alright, so here I got my plantains. So what I'm gonna do is get 2 parchment papers and just press it down to make it flat. Okay, usually I would fry these first, then take them out, and then press them down, and then fry them again. But I'm a little short on time, so we're just gonna flatten them, throw them in the fryer, and fry them real quick. Okay. Then we'll do a little pinch of sea salt on top of it, just for a little bit of flavor. Alright, so we got the plantains in the fryer. It's going on like this. We don't want to overcook them. Alright, next, so we got the avocados. And we're just gonna slice them and then plate them. Simple as that, okay? And there you have it, guys. Nice, simple, good plating. Salmon, your red sauce, avocado, plantains. I mean, come on, who would not want to eat this? This is my dinner. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow for more delicious food videos. Till next time, guys. See ya.